Hi guys, welcome to your video lesson on biotechnology. Remember that the prefix bio means life. So we're talking about a technology that deals with living things. So biotechnology is actually the branch of molecular biology that studies the use of living organisms to solve problems and to make different products. Biotechnology is basically a toolbox filled with tons of different kinds of living cells and their component molecules, and then the many different ways to use them. There are millions of different species of plants, animals, and microorganisms in the world, and each of those things has unique characteristics that can be used for humans in many different. There's three basic kinds of biotechnology. So there is working with cells, working with genes, and working with proteins. Traditional biotechnology examples include domesticating crop plants and farm animals through selective breeding processes, using yeast, for example, to make bread rise and then to produce wine. Selective breeding, so we have the wolf ancestor, then we have European age breeds, and then ancient Asiatics and modern wolves. So the European age breeds, you see there's herding, hound, sporting, and working. You can selectively breed them to do different things. So to herd, to sport, to work. Modern biotechnology involves using living cells and their molecules to solve problems and make products. Some examples include the healthcare industry. It's developing better ways to diagnose, prevent, and treat diseases through the use of biotechnology. Living cells and their molecules are used to clean up our environment and detect contamination and reduce our dependence on petroleum. The effect it has on our lives. So making medicines in large quantities, such as penicillin, human insulin for treatment of diabetes, combating crime through DNA testing and forensic testing, removing pollution from soil and water through a process called bioremediation, improving the quality of agricultural crops and livestock products through the use of biotechnology. So biotech in North Carolina, there is a biotechnology campus right near us, just north of Charlotte in Kannapolis. There are many new careers in medicine, agriculture, genetics, and food science. While it has benefited North Carolina, it has also raised many ethical issues for us to consider. So, main controversy, genetic modification, GMOs, genetically modified organisms, and cloning are controversial for many reasons. And you will do some research and will take a stance on your GMO debate paper. Well, if you are doing this in the 7th grade science cycle, that means you already did this last year. And if you're in the 8th grade science cycle, it means you will be doing this. So those of you who already did this, and those of you who did biotechnology for the health fair and did GMOs, know that there's many different reasons why GMOs are controversial. And so I can't wait for you guys to share those reasons with each other some more. And for those of you who haven't done it, to learn about it. I'm not going to tell you because I want you to explore it on your own.